down to Street. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty bad. It is, isn't it? It's one of those things. It's number 11 out of 105 foot wide. 105?
Number 11 out of 108 made or something. Albus. Can't quite see in there.
That's one day for it. Very nice. The other two are the earlier ones, which is the down market engine. It hasn't got the high performance. And this is the only one with all the high spec power steering and disc brakes and all the rest. There's one other automatic, quite an old one.
Beautiful.
As I said, if it was, I'd be scared to drive. Yeah. The one that this chap got, the one that had this one, he got the earlier model, convertible. And it's absolutely immaculate. He only got it in white factories on the side of the road.